Diary. Hey guys! Okay, sorry. So I had a lot of good photo session at home. तो मैं बहुत अच्छे से तैयार होकर बैठी हूँ आज. And that's my Oreo. I'm sorry. Hello, Ruby. Hey guys. Yeah. So yeah. Sorry guys. Sorry. My Oreo wants to talk to you guys. So 2 सेकेंड दो, मुझे उससे आपको मिलवाना ही पड़ेगा. 1 सेकेंड देना. See. Oh my god. Oh my god. Say hi now. He's very camera shy. एक बार ये देख लेगा तो ये मुझे बिल्कुल आपसे बात करने के लिए बीच में टोकेगा नहीं. एंड सी वो अपना मुंह छुपा रहा है. बाय द वे ही इज वेरी स्मार्ट. सो या मैं अपना आज शूट मिस कर रही थी तो मैंने अच्छे से फोटो खींचे अपने. एंड आई थॉट ऑफ आस्किंग यू गाइज. हाय विकी. And मैंने I'm definitely going to share. Oh, that's my Bhabhi. Hello. She always writes hello. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm sure अभी तक के जो 2 एपिसोड हुए हैं आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत मजा आया है. एंड आप लोगों को बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें जानने भी मिली है. बहुत सारे ऐसे सवाल थे आपको जो आपने पूछे हैं. विकी, मुझे जूहू घर बहुत बहुत याद आ रहा है. आई एम श्योर आप मेरे घर में बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे हैं इस वक्त. पर वेरी सून मैं आऊंगी अपने घर में वापस. हाय सोनाक्षी. यस सोनाक्षी. ओके, सोनाक्षी इज हियर विद अस. आई थिंक अनदर 30 सेकेंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक हर ऑनलाइन नाउ. सोनाक्षी, आई मस्ट से आप सबको मुझे सोनाक्षी के बारे में ये जरूर बताना चाहिए कि सोनाक्षी बॉलीवुड की यंगेस्ट डिजाइनर है. और हर एक फिल्मी स्टार जिन्हें आप अपने घर पर देखते हैं, जिनके लिए आप थिएटर जाते हैं, जिनके आप अवार्ड फंक्शन देखते हैं, उन सबकी फेवरेट डिजाइनर है. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू हर अबाउट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड आई मस्ट से दैट कि इतनी कम एज में उन्होंने जिस तरह से अपने करियर की शुरुआत की, इट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट एट ऑल ईजी. बहुत डिफिकल्टियों का सामना करना पड़ता है तब जाके आपको अपने सक्सेस मिलती है. और उसमें से भी थोड़ा सा मिलता है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ सॉल्ट एंड पेपर. थोड़ा करके मिलता है. बट शी विथ हर तो इट्स समथिंग एल्स ओनली. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है पूरा एक मिरेकल बॉक्स लेके घूमती है वो. एंड ऐसे जादू की चप्पी देख के सारे एक्टर और एक्ट्रेसेस को इतना सुंदर कैसे बना देती है. एंड आई मस्ट से दैट शी इज स्पेशलिस्ट इन गाउन साड़ीज. उनके गाउन मैंने भी देखे हैं. इवन आई पर्सनली लव देम. एंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम आप लोगों ने भी वो इतना ही पसंद किया है. मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगी. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक हर ऑनलाइन नाउ. लेट्स आस्क हर ऑल that I'm very very excited by the way because first, hey
Hi Rashmi.
Hi.
How sweet, yeah. Thank you so much for the introduction. I mean, मैं बस सुनती जा रही थी what all you were telling for me, and thank you so much. I absolutely love the introduction.
Oh well, you have earned it. You don't have to say thank you at all. And बहुत सारे ऐसे जो youngsters हैं, I'm sure all the viewers who really want to know a lot of things, and उसमें से 2-3 ऐसे questions मुझसे पूछे गए which I'm going to ask you online today. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Absolutely, I'm very excited to be on this chat with you, and you know, I've really looked forward to it because I've been seeing you on television doing some amazing work. So it's great, yeah, when two people from different fields connect like this. I think this is the best time for us to, you know, talk on this platform.
Thank you. But I must say that it's not very easy, you know, to look all the time gorgeous with beautiful clothes and jewelry on. And I have to make sure that each time, whatever I'm wearing as an actress, मुझे ऐसे लगता है, it's very much, being very honest, it becomes like a burden at times, you know, okay, now what to wear, now that I've worn this last time. And every time, you know, there's not something or the other new is constantly coming. So I had a lot of questions personally also to ask you.
Sure, please go ahead.
So as a designer, when you design something for actresses like Deepika Padukone, Kriti Sanon, and Janvi, you know, and I have noticed one thing. Then वो सारे एक ही function के लिए जाते हैं. Then how do you manage to design them differently? Each time, in each personality, you enhance their aura actually.
Well, Rashmi, to be honest, I feel to design for somebody, firstly, you should understand their personality. That's first and foremost. So, be it Deepika, be it Sonam, be it Kareena, or be it these new age girls, yeah, we have Janvi and we have Ananya, Tara, all these new girls. I think it's very important for you to understand, for a designer to understand their celebrity's personality and never go over the top. For me, as a person, as a designer, I don't believe in going over the top. So the minimalistic be in terms of styling for your entire look, I think the minimalist you are, the more classic you'll be. So for me, firstly, it's about understanding my celebrity's personality, designing for them accordingly, and then your styling goes along with it. For example, now Deepika's body is like stunning. You can't go wrong with the body. So I feel like a sari. A sari can do wonders on her. It'll never go wrong on her.
True.
So in fact, my most popular piece from my collection was a sari gown which Deepika had worn, and she just carried it off so flawlessly that whole sari gown phrase became so popular after her wearing it. So because I love blending Indo-Western, so I kind of just thought of playing with a Western silhouette and creating a sari out of it, and it just happened. That sari gown silhouette just was created with that whole sexy sheer back. So the whole torso was highlighted. So it just depends on which celebrity you're styling for. Understand their style, personality, how they carry themselves. Like a Janvi had worn a very cool, it was like a pop dress, which I had designed for her. It was, I think, last year or something she had worn. So I designed a very cool short pop dress. So it suited her personality, So you have to understand the body type and the personality of your celebrity.
Wow. And I really wanted to, one of my, somebody has DM'd me this, that what is the definition of fashion exactly?
See, I feel the definition of fashion, I can read a few comments asking the same. I feel the definition of fashion is you and your personality. According to me, I never go by the norms of what's in fashion and what's not. That's something I'd like to advise all you fashion readers. It totally depends, to each his own, but according to me, I never go by the norms of what's in fashion and what's not. I feel what suits you will always be in fashion for you and will always be a classic. So I'm a classic person, and I feel that's the best way to be.
But Bollywood is something सबकी life में रंग बिखेरता है. I'm being very honest with you, and whatever we see it, whatever we see in अच्छा Ranveer Singh is wearing this, Ranveer Kapoor is wearing this, Deepika is wearing this. अच्छा Alia is very cute, but with her personality, she is limitless. I feel that she loves trying new stuff. Yeah. And हम जो movies में देखते हैं, we try and follow that.
Because if it works for you as a personality, you can pull it off. That's what I meant. Like Ranveer Singh, he's inhibited to try any style.
Yeah, but if you
and it works for him because he can carry it off. He can.
but
he can
not
walk
everyone.
Out with that panache and that confidence.
Yes, but वो सब नहीं कर पाते. But exactly that's what my question was. What kind of clothes we should try with the same color of pattern if we are in demand? Because a lot of people ask that, we love to wear gown, but my body is very bulky.
Right. So exactly. So suppose like for me also, I cater to a lot of clients who come to me. Like for example, if Jacqueline has worn this particular gown or a particular pantsuit from my collection, so they would want to wear that, So I deal with this day in and day out with my clientele because of course we as people idolize our celebrities and we kind of want to look like them and dress like them. So I have clients who come up to me and of course they want to dress in a sari or in a gown like the one Jacqueline wore. So I have to design for them on those lines what work for their body type. So for example, if a client would have a heavier bottom, So I would design the outfit accordingly. Like we have so many ways of recreating styles. So if sometimes if a pantsuit, you know, something like a pantsuit that Jacqueline wore, which became so popular,
Yeah.
a client wanted to wear something just like that, you know, but she was heavy on the torso. So
Yeah.
then you know, because hers had a sheer back, so then I covered the back. I gave her a more concealed back with a not so fitted trouser. So you have to understand your body type. There's no harm in wanting to dress like a celebrity, and you can alter it as per your personality, as per your figure type, you know.
Yeah,
So
but
I
you know,
think
even
that's
I
what
have
works.
faced this issue in the past. I have a tendency of gaining. मैं बहुत easily weight gain कर लेती हूँ. So there
Hmm.
is कभी कभी if I'm not shooting and I'm not in a mood to work out or do anything, I just want to love myself the way I am. I just want
Yeah,
to be
of
comfortable
course.
the way I am. So
And with
मैं
the
gain
kind of
कर
hard
लेती
work
हूँ.
you guys do, with the lifestyle you all have, you all need that time out. Yeah.
Yes,
You,
yes.
you
वो breathing time नहीं
pamper
मिलता है,
yourself.
पता है? Every time you gain weight and they're like, अरे ये तो मोटी हो गई वापस, अच्छा वापस पतली हो गए, ये पतली कैसे हो गई? I was like, there is a
हाँ,
big question mark in everything.
हाँ.
तो बहुत बार मैंने भी ये face किया that I have gained weight now, I don't have this collarbone. So at times even I feel like wearing that, you know, tube, and I really want to wear nice neck piece with it, and I want to flaunt and all,
So
but
in
नहीं कर
fact,
पाती all the time.
Rashmi, for you, for that particular collarbone tip, what I would suggest is never wear chokers. Okay, never wear something which is a choker, because it'll make your face more rounder. You know,
Rounded. Okay.
round.
Okay.
It could, because of the, since you have, you know, the distance between your chin and your neck is not that much. So never wear chokers. However, off shoulders will look lovely on you. A
Okay.
spaghetti top, what you're wearing, is looking stunning on you. So where you're
Thank you.
showing, yeah, absolutely. So where you're showing more of your upper body, your chest upwards will look lovelier. For people who don't have collarbones as much, try exposing that area, because that's where it'll look more easygoing, more, you'll get more breather in your dressing, and it'll look much nicer. And just avoid wearing chokers, you know.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
something that I would suggest. Polo necks
Thank you.
avoid, chokers avoid. They're more easy going on your upper body.
And whatever you're asking me not to wear, I love all that stuff. I love polo neck. I
You
love
love?
that. I love
So
polo neck
then
with
you can
full
break it.
hands and wearing it with tight
Don't
pants.
not wear what you love. Wear it. Then team it with. Then let your lower body be more easygoing. Team it with a pair of shorts, or team it with a short skirt, because then it doesn't look blocky. You know, then it looks sexy in a way. So
So
you can
okay,
play around.
so
Some
less is
kind
all.
of a breather is important in that aspect.
Okay. Well, congratulations for your new marriage.
Thank you. You can see the chuda while I'm talking.
Yeah,
So.
no, I can see the chuda, but I got to know from a lot of my friends. 2 to 3 of my friends just got to know. I was inside the house though when it happened. So
Oh yes, you in the house, right?
yeah, but when
Thank
I
you so
came
much.
out, I got to.
I know, right in the nick of time. Yeah, just got married on the 30th of Jan, and in Thailand. So we just got married at the right time, because weddings. I think ours was the last wedding. After ours, all the weddings got pushed and postponed.
Yeah, I know 2 3 people. I asked them. Somebody I was supposed to attend 2 weddings. One is in Assam and the other one was in Bombay only. So I asked them, what about the marriage? Is all okay? So they said, yeah, we'll be doing it. But I think, and then one said that we've changed our mind. We're going to do the court ritual and we're going to go for nice world
Yeah,
premiere.
I know so many. Just imagine. Yeah, I mean, we just got lucky, just at the right time.
That's so I'm going to ask you 2 3 questions जो मुझे व्यूअर जो हमेशा फॉलो करते हैं और जब से मैंने स्टोरी पोस्ट की है कल से so कुछ
हाँ.
मुझे questions आए हैं so I'm going to ask all that thing. People often complain of lobbying in creative fields. I assume if it's the same for fashion designer as well, you have made a mark at such a young age. Did you face any difficulty? How difficult is it to get a breakthrough in this difficult fashion
Industry.
world? Because it is
Absolutely.
actually when I had
It
this question.
is. I mean, in today's date, आप देखोगे तो every household किसी ना किसी को या तो डिजाइनर बनना है, या स्टाइलिस्ट बनना है, या
Yes.
एक्टिंग करना है.
Yes,
you
and
know,
yeah,
every
they all
house.
know about stitching also. They'll tell you, ये ऐसे क्यों नहीं है, ये ऐसे
Huh.
क्यों नहीं है. So
Yeah. So there's so much competition, in today's date, where I know so many, budding designers who are studying designing, because of course it's become a much more popular profession in the growing years. But yes, it's not been an easy journey for me. I've been fortunate enough to have opportunities come my way, which I have not let go of because of my passion in this field. But
great.
yes, I have faced a lot of hurdles. I've faced difficulties. I have faced rejection. I've faced times where I've been really eager and yearned to be a part of something and applied and not got through. But I feel what makes you stand apart from the rest is if you don't give up. I feel that's something I don't believe in. I don't believe in giving up. मेरे डैडी बचपन से ही मुझे बोलते थे ये बहुत जिद्दी बच्ची है बिकॉज आई फील दैट इफ आई वांट सम आई एम अ गो गेटर. So if I want something, I will make sure that I work towards it and I make myself accomplish enough to achieve it.
That's
So
great.
and it's not easy. I mean, for for young new budding designers, I would just tell you guys that don't
Yes,
give
yes.
up on hope. Even if there are times that you will not succeed initially, there are times you'll face rejection, but if you're focused, if you know what you want, and you just work towards it and you're true to your passion and your profession, it's going to happen for you someday or the other.
Yeah,
So it
very
just
true.
worked out for me. Yeah? I just worked towards it. I kept working hard, and I didn't let go of any opportunities that came my way. I don't believe
And
in
the
saying
best,
no when it comes
and
to
the best
work.
is
Overnight. Yeah,
sorry.
overnight orders. I don't believe in saying no. Like especially in the film industry, you know it, Rashmi. We get
Yeah, yeah.
overnight change of costumes, change of requirements. But
That
the trick
sudden
is when,
demand.
yeah, I mean, because I've been also styling for films, designing for films, so I know how it is overnight. It's a change of scene, change of costume, change of heroine also sometimes. Like
Yeah.
in like I've done films where I wouldn't name, but there have been change of actresses over in 2 days. You have to completely design an entire wardrobe. For the actors. So I've faced all these situations outdoors where you have no access to clothes but you have to create something. So I've faced these situations, but the challenge is when you work towards it. I mean, I don't believe in saying no, so I say no, हो जाएगा कैसे ना कैसे, कुछ जुगाड़ निकाल के कैसे भी हो जाएगा. So बस वो एक attitude आप adopt कर लो, and then I think that's something
Yeah,
that at
and
least
I must
worked for
say,
me.
all the viewers, they had this question earlier also in my past 3 sessions. They used to ask me in episodes that how do you face failure? How do you face rejection? But when you face actually rejection, when you know that you are fail in this and you keep
Then you
trying one thing
value your
again and again,
success.
yes, then you're going to be number one.
Then you value your success, because if you get
Yes.
it easily, for me it's always been for I really struggled to get admission in my desired college, but I got it, and then I valued that.
That's true.
Even
I agree.
today, I've faced all my hard work and hardships, and I'm today valuing the position I am in today. So I feel if you don't face failures, you'll not value your success. So I think that's very important for everyone to experience.
I agree, and I really appreciate that. Designers like Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra, Manish Arora, Anita
Pause there,
Roy,
veterans.
and now it's you. I'm like,
Oh my
I
God,
can't.
no, that's too
It's
much of a comparison for me. I would not still
it's not
consider
a
myself.
comparison. It's difficult. It's genuinely not easy when it comes. See, clothes is everyday's need, and every day there's something or the other is coming. So, आप जब सारी नई चीजों को एक्सेप्ट करना होता है, by the time you buy something, there's one more thing is
There's a new trend.
yes.
Yeah, there's something
So
new that and as a
yeah,
designer, you have to keep reinventing yourself.
so
Like,
it is more challenging for you.
it's
I feel
very
that
challenging.
it's
Yeah, like,
definitely not easy.
आप एक collection, suppose you remove like a 2019 autumn winter collection, you can't just hop on that collection till 2020. You will have to twice or thrice a year keep churning out new collections. And as a businesswoman also, when you have your own store, you have to. It's not just about designing and all. You have to do a business. You have to create a brand about it. So you know, even work wise, you have to, it's very challenging because there are times your entire collection will not get sold, right?
True,
So
true,
how do
very
you
true.
keep reinventing yourself, revamping, create new collections, and there's an older stock? How do you, you know, so there's a lot that goes with it, along with the business of fashion besides the creativity. So it's a
And
pretty, it
definitely,
looks
I
like a
think
very
all the
floral
viewers,
field, but it's a challenging field.
yeah, and it's quite interesting. Not easy to take care of all the failures. By the way, one of my brother asked that how to deal with the actress who throws a lot of tantrums.
Tantrum. I knew that
Yeah,
was going to come. A lot of people
tantrums.
ask me.
I'm gonna beat him up for that.
No, no, but of course, I've answered these questions many a times. You know, honestly, dealing with them when they throw tantrums is, you have to just be tactful enough. I mean, I have been an assistant also, and I've dealt with all the tantrums when I was an assistant, and right from tying shoelaces of actresses to you know, fixing their hooks, I've done it all. So I mean, today I'm pretty seasoned in the sense that I've experienced a lot in terms of, you know, facing the tantrums and dealing with it. You have to just deal with it with a pinch of salt, and I think you just need to understand them. I mean, they also facing the camera. You are behind the camera, you know.
Yeah,
We as
yeah.
designers are behind the camera. So it's very, in today's date, I feel they face a lot more challenges than us, you know. There are a lot more, I wouldn't say insecurities, but there are a lot of competition for them also, and they are in front of the camera. So उनका अगर ड्रेस थोड़ा इधर से उधर हो जाए, ऑडियंस नहीं बोलेगी अच्छा डिजाइनर की गलती, ऑडियंस बोलेगी अच्छा इसने क्या पहना है कि इसका कपड़ा. So you have to,
True
as a
that.
designer, you have to understand that कि what they also going through. So you have
I
to
really
just be
appreciate.
tactful
Thank
in
you.
dealing with them.
I hope, Gaurav, you must have got your answer. Thank you for asking. It was a very interesting question, though. And I wanted to ask you one more thing that, you must have started your career and you must have got, okay, I'll keep it very simple. First time you have designed something and that has taken over by somebody else's name, but not yours. But the hard work and everything is by it's yours. How did you do it? How did you feel?
That
What made
that
you
that happens when you're an assistant, right? You mean
anything when you're intern, when you're assisting, or maybe you're at a
right?
job.
Yeah, so that happens when you're assisting. I mean, I think it's very important to assist before you start your career, be it in any field, not just designing, be it in any field. And you need to understand that a situation like that will arise because you have to put in your best. Okay, if you don't put in your best in terms of designing or styling for somebody, and of course, that time you're learning, it's a learning
Mhm.
process.
True.
So you have to be mentally prepared कि हाँ मैं इनके लिए assist कर रही हूँ, इनके brand को assist कर रही हूँ, and of course my work, my hard work will pay off when it's time for me to start my own brand. But before that, for you to always be successful in your brand, be it in any field, I feel it's very important to learn it on field. Besides a theoretic knowledge, which is your institute, college, a practical experience is very important. So that's
Yeah.
a phase I
Right.
think all of y'all must be a part of. Be it in acting also. There's so many assistant directors who get into the field if they want to become actors. They get into being an AD and all of that. So similarly, as a designer, I also assisted and I had a great experience. I used to get really scared of my boss when he would yell at me. I used to face tantrums of actresses. I used to do my do my sketches, do my designing, which would be sold under the designer's label. But that's okay because you're learning. That's a
Yeah.
learning
That's a
experience,
learning process,
and that's a
right?
part of your learning experience. I think so. It's fine.
Very true. I had one of my this one of the stylists has DM me this question that at a very young age you got a success. Very young age you introduced your label also in a very right way, and then after you got married and like recently got married and everything is there with you. So how do you keep balance? Because people now today's generation they think that I'll get married after 30. I don't want to get into any problem. I don't want to have any kind of relation. I just want to be more focused. People are more career oriented, but where you took your turn somewhere else only, and your path is you very different. So how do you balance your life, your work, professional life? Ask more time from you, and I think I'm sure
So
that you.
that happened to me very gradually because I started off my career very early, and for me I was always very driven that even though I assisted, I was very keen on starting my own brand. Even as a student, I always knew I wanted to be a designer first of all when I was in school, so I was very focused. Like I didn't, you know, at times. Young kids, they are confused about what they want to do in their career, in their life. But I was always sure that I wanted to be a designer, so I didn't waste time in doing a course and then changing that course and doing a third course. That time waste nahi hua mera, because I knew that this is what I want to become and what I want to do. So immediately after my schooling, I did my fashion studies, and then immediately I started assisting. And immediately I knew that I won't assist for more than 1 year because I had that kida in me to start my brand. I was very driven towards it. So I started my brand very quickly with just one machine, one garage. It was in my building, one garage. I started from there, and one master and one tailor, I remember. And I started taking orders. I started doing films. I started with styling for films. Then I applied for Lakme. Didn't get through initially. Then got through after trying again. So it all fell in place, of course, at the right time because I started off early, and it was nothing was planned in the sense that I'll get married early, I'll do this once my store, nothing like that. It all fell in place the minute I started my brand. I after a couple of years, I got through Lakme Fashion Week. I did shows at Lakme Fashion Week. Then I got the opportunity to open my own flagship store in Bombay, which is currently in Khar in Bandra. That's been like, it's been 5 years now to that.
Mm.
So I mean, it was not that nothing was decided. Okay, after 5 years of my store, then
It
I
just
get married.
happened.
Nothing like that. It just fell in place. And I think it's very important to balance yourself. So of course, it's great when you get into relationships which lead into marriage and everything. It's amazing, but it's always important to balance it out. And post marriage, how I'm handling it is, the minute I got married, the quarantine happened in a month's time. So I'm just enjoying my marriage space, my time, and in my free time, I do my bit of sketching. I plan my new collection. I I'm enjoying time in my new house. It's just been like 2 months that we've gotten married now, so it's great. I'm learning as
Beautiful.
it
That's
went.
awesome.
It's
That's
a
awesome.
process right now. And my new phase of life has also started, so I'm learning. And as the quarantine gets, so we'll get back to work and let's see.
Yeah, but you have taken only few names. I must say that all the viewers that she's round the globe. She's very famous, and not only in India, not only in Dubai, UK and Italy and London. Everybody likes to wear Sonakshi Raj, and I think you will find out a lot of things on her page once you go and find out who Sonakshi Raj actually is, and she's being very down to earth and humble, I must say.
You're
And
very
one more
sweet,
thing, I
Rashmi,
had
for
a
all your.
question. Thank you, Sonakshi. Thank you, but I'm really glad to have you.
I'm glad myself to be here.
Thank you, Sonakshi. I wanted to ask you that material is more important. Material and work both is important, and it all depends on the body type.
I think the cut is very important.
The cut is very
um,
important.
very important because that's what gives you the right fit. So, be it any material, of course, material depends on the kind of silhouette you're constructing. If it's a flowy silhouette, then you go for, if it's a drapey silhouette, then you go for flowy fabrics and accord, and vice versa. If you go for structured silhouettes, you go for more stiffer bodied fabrics. But what's most important is the right cut. The right cut will give you the right fit, and that's what will work best for you when you wear it. So that's very important.
Alright,
Primary.
that's true. That's true. That's very true. And material,
That's why a
all-time
master
favorite
is more
material.
important than a tailor.
Sorry,
Sorry?
that's why
A master is the one who cuts the fabric, who
is more
cuts the
important than the
parma,
tailor.
the style. And tailor is the one who stitches it. So as a designer, you spend more time with your master. because you know you
Yeah.
explain the pattern, you the cut, the fit. So that's why the cut is
Okay.
very important.
Okay, we didn't know that the master is different and the tailor is different.
Yes, yes,
मुझे ऐसा
yes.
लगता था दोनों काम एक ही इंसान करता है, cutting
कभी
भी
कभी होता है,
and
but it's much more professional to have a master because pattern making is something which is primary in construction of an outfit. So first you make a draft as per whatever silhouette you're making. If it's a pantsuit, for example, you make a draft on a paper as per the measurements of the client or the celebrity, whatever, and then you cut it. So that cut is very important. The paper
Okay.
cut, उसके ऊपर जो fabric करता है, that
Okay.
is where the key is of.
Okay, that is the reason we say that, आप अपनी एक replica बनाओ टेलर के पास से and going to a designer and getting it customized is
That's
more
why that's
important.
the
And you
difference, na,
feel
going
the
through
difference
that.
on the body. That's true. Because अभी तो बहुत convenient हो चुका है that you see the picture, you go to a tailor and you ask that person कि आप ये
Yeah, nowadays
बना
on
सकते
Instagram,
हैं?
everything is accessible. More than people would first go and buy magazines, wait for the new collection to come out. Now
But
everything is
no,
available
there
at
are
the tap of the.
differences.
Yeah,
When you make customize and when you wear a designer, things are different.
but
When
you come
you
to know the
actually see
difference.
the
Yeah.
difference on the body.
In fact,
Yeah.
मेरे ही copies जब online काफी आते हैं ना, you there
I
also a lot
had
of
that question to ask.
blogs. Yeah, I've experienced this a lot. So just for the kicks, for fun, मैंने एक बहुत ऐसे blogs आते हैं, you know, Deepika Padukone and Sonakshi Raj, available for not even half the price. Like your heart breaks when you see the price. Like you'll be like, what really? So I was like, चलो मस्ती में exhibitions में भी ऐसे बहुत होते हैं. I see my copies everywhere. My sari gowns are all over. But of course,
Copies are
you
all
know the difference between the copy and the original. But for fun, I ordered one of my copies online to see कि क्या है.
Don't
You
tell
have to
me
know
you
कि क्या
did that.
circulate हो रहा है. I have done that for the kicks. And I can't even tell you what I received. It was like a joke of the century. I've received like literally, it was, I remember what Bipasha had won for IFA. It was one of my sari gowns and that was available. It was a joke of the price also. Like, I think $1,000 or something was available online. So I was like, wow, let me see what I'm going to receive. So I ordered it online. And it was a joke what I received, like 2 pieces of like some random
Different
fabric. So
things.
of course
But that's really, I mean, like it's a very proud moment for you also, no? At the
it
same
is,
time
it
that
is, it is. I don't
someone is
get too
actually
worked up with
trying
this
to
because
be
it's a
like
sign.
you.
Yeah,
It's
it's a sign of.
inspiration.
Yeah, so I take it as a sign of success. It's okay, yeah, it's fine because your clients will always be your clients. You know, they know the difference between
That's
a
true.
fake and
That's
an
true.
original, so it's fine.
I have this, since you told me about the copy thing, and I completely agree what you said at times. But I have this question that how to make fashion affordable? Because you know why? See, I
Sure.
come from a job. I started my career from here, and I gradually went up slowly,
Yeah.
step by step. All right. So now, even at times, even I didn't have money to buy Manish Malhotra, Sabyasachi, but I had the option of going and buying copy. But yet, at the same time, you really wish to wear the original one, and
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah.
then how one should just fulfill their dreams, and then how they should just
So, I don't know what everyone does, but most of us do. At least I do this. I come up with a breadth line, a parallel line besides my couture, which is my evening wear, more luxury collection. I also have a breadth line where all my styles, be it my sari gowns or my gowns or my dresses or my tunics, I have a line which is much more lighter, much more affordable, with lesser embroidery, but as well styled, but lesser priced. So you have to come up with a breadth line to meet with the competition of the market. And even if it's like in Indian, not only Western, even if it's my Indian suits or my saris, it's very important to come up with a breadth line also where you cater to the clients who can't afford your heavier collection. So I do that.
oh,
So I
that's so
totally do
sweet.
that. Yeah, I have my breadth line. Yeah. And even
That's
clients, I mean, who come up to me, even those which are not readily available, if a client has a certain budget, we are totally open to customizing it for them as per their budget. Like, for example, now my new bridal line is out, which I wore for my own wedding. My wedding collection is out. So I've already got clients who, who have started making these pieces for, but some of them don't have that kind of budget. So we are totally open to customizing it as per their budget, which could even be half the price. But we make it accordingly. The style is the same, but the embroidery will be according to the pricing, and we make it. We are custom
so
designers.
you more emphasize on the material or on the work?
I emphasize on the styling. For me, the cut is very important. So the
Yeah.
draping, if it's, and my silhouette is number one for me. The silhouette has to be bang on, and then as per the silhouette, it'll be the your fabric and your embroidery and all of that. As per that, for me, silhouette has always been very important.
Oh, that's
I love
fabulous.
playing with silhouette.
All right, thank you. I must say that I really enjoyed and I got a lot of information that a lot of people had this question to ask that what's the difference between stylist and the designer, right? The designer definitely style us, but they customize things and
Yes.
stylist is the person
Curated.
who
The
can.
stylist curates the look, like your makeup, your hair, your jewelry. Though I love styling and designing both, because I feel as a designer, you should curate the entire look. That's what's important for me, because
That's
if I design for a celebrity or anyone, I always love to create the whole look, right from a makeup to a hair to her accessories.
yeah. Is your Twinka is your nickname or what?
Yeah.
Please
Twinka
say
is my
hi to Aarti because since such a long time she's been saying say hi to Twinka. Say hi to Twinka. Aarti Singh, if you remember.
Hi, who's that?
You
Who
must have
asked?
met her
Say
with
hi to
Nadeem
you.
Bhai and Mahi and all.
Oh yes, Mahim. Who asked that?
Which no, it's like we are friends, so it's a comment group.
Okay. Yes, Twinka
So
is
that's
my
how.
pet.
So she's constantly commenting for you. Say hi to Twinka, and then now finally she wrote that her nickname is
Yes,
Twinka.
Twinka is my pet name.
So yeah, she's saying
My
hi
family
for
calls
a
me
long
Twinka.
time. So when you do a ramp show, when you have your own fashion show, so what is everything is related to theme. Hey Bhupi Bhai, hi. Sorry.
Sorry. Can I
So
the question again?
everything that is related to theme or something, I don't know how to put it into the word, but sometimes it's related Indian, sometimes it's related that a painting related, sometimes something what inspires you that this collection belongs.
Oh, what is yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So
So, for me, inspiration has always been very instinctive, be it my travels or be it any artwork or any painting. For me, my inspirations have always been very instinctive. But there's one thing that's always been very common in my inspiration is women. I'm highly inspired by women. So, in fact, I've always grown up being surrounded by all fashionable women in my family. That's what actually inspired me to become a designer. All my mom, my aunts, my bua was an actress, Anita Raj. So I've grown up seeing her be, fashionably dressed, being in front of the camera, part of the cinema. My masis have always been very fashionable. So I've always been surrounded by such, well-dressed women, fashion-conscious women that I grew up wanting to be a designer. And very naturally, I started designing for all of them. And invariably, they started taking fashion tips from me. So my formative years were all about that. So I've always been very inspired by women, So you'll always see a lot of feminine inspiration in all my collection. You'll see a lot of elements where femininity, highlighting the woman's body, the curves are very important for me in every collection of mine. So be it architectural, but yes, it'll be very feminine, very
okay.
feminine, or be it inspired by my travels, or be it anything, be it artwork, but it'll always have very women centric inspiration. So women have always been my focal point of inspiration by design.
Even I find them very powerful and
I think women are so empowering, yeah. So
yeah.
I'm,
So
I think, yeah. So that's my
and
most important inspiration.
that that's nice. Yeah, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है when I get to hear a lot of good things about
And I
women.
love chatting with self-made women, yeah, like you. It's great because we in today's day we are the ones who boost each other. So
Yeah,
I'll be it in any field, be it even a housewife. They're making the lives of their family. So I feel women are the creators, and we are there for each other to boost each other at all
we are
levels.
powerful soul, and I always say
Absolutely.
that women are very powerful soul. They have the power to change lot of things, and they have power to
100%.
create lot of things.
100%. 100%. They're
Yeah.
multitasking in all aspects. So
Yeah. Okay, let's play rapid fire round quickly because we
okay,
can't
let's do
take
it.
time. Okay. So one thing you will never be caught wearing.
Animal print. I'm not very fond of animal
I
prints.
love animal print, Yash.
Okay.
One thing that you always wear.
Shorts. I can live in my shorts, denim shorts.
Always.
You will catch me. I can wear it for a night out. I can wear it for a movie. I can wear it in the day. I can wear it at all given times, except my workshop. Like I don't get the time to wear that in my factory, in my workshop. So, otherwise, you can see me wearing that everywhere.
Oh, that's fabulous. Any of your design which you didn't like later?
Yeah, there are a couple of styles which I feel could have been improvised on. But yeah, few of my pieces from my collection, I think every collection may have some pieces or the other where I could have improvised on. But yeah, why not?
Okay, this is now something I want to know that among those whom you have styled, who's very happily would want to try new kind of experiment with fabric, with styling or the color.
You mean the actresses?
Yeah, the actresses you have worked with.
Who, which actress is the
Which
most
actress? Yeah,
easy to
yeah, easy. Would like to
style in
experiment
different?
new thing. Yeah, in style, color, and
I
blindly
think
trust you that whatever you will get, I'll wear.
Kriti Sanon. She is, yeah, she and I have a great rapport. I mean, she started her career with me as a designer. Hero Panti was the first film, and I was the
Oh,
designer for that film. So we have that rapport, that blind faith in each other, where she feels that I know her body type, and I think her body is fantastic, and anything that she wears, she can carry off. So we have a great understanding in terms of styling, and understanding each other's style sense and body type.
true.
And she's
Yeah.
very versatile in terms of trying out different styles, and it works for her. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. One thing that you would never suggest to wear any of your actresses.
I don't know. Never suggest is a very strong word. It depends on their personality. Like, I don't know. It could be anything. It could be even animal print, which could not work for someone, or it could be a short dress, which could not work for someone, or it could be some don't carry off Indian as much as some other who carry. So it totally depends. It can't be just one particular thing, because something can really work on you, which may not work on somebody else. So it
The other
totally
person,
depends.
right?
Like some actresses look stunning in Indian, whereas some may not look as good. Some look better in Western. So it totally depends on their personality.
Your favorite stylist?
My favorite stylist.
Yeah.
There's so many of them. I love the work
Only one.
Anita Shaw.
Okay,
I love
this can't be a rapid fire round because you're taking too much
we are
time.
giving. Okay, let's go quick. Anita Shaw.
Okay. Party till 2 a.m. or party working till 2 a.m.
Given a choice, my batti jagos at 2 a.m. only for working, for sketching. So working at 2 a.m. I love night sketching.
Okay.
So working at 2 a.m. Yeah.
Anything that you have stolen from your mother or from your grandmother or anything?
Lots of things. Her bag, my mother's bags. I love bags. So 100% I've stolen her bags.
Which color defines you the most?
Which color?
Defines you the most?
Red.
Red. Red is my favorite color too.
I
And
love it.
anything during this quarantine you would like to tell us that, sitting at home now that बातें भी कितनी करोगे आप? You can't keep
I know.
calling your friends also on video call, and you
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
just keep telling the same thing repetitively because they
yeah.
will not
Exactly.
answer your call and say that, okay, I have a lot of other things to do.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
what
yeah.
would you suggest to all of us to do something, anything online course or anything styling related tips would you like to give us?
Sure, sure. I feel a be positive because there's no point in feeling कि oh
Yeah.
God अभी क्या करेंगे. Enjoy your time out because this time had never come to you before, and it will hopefully not come back
True.
also. So enjoy this time you're getting, make the most of it, channelize all your free time into the best things that you could have done into a creative space. Like I love sketching, so I in my free time I'm always sketching. Like it's lying right here, next to my bedside.
I was about to
So
ask you if you can sketch something.
I'll show
Oh,
you what I've just sketched. But besides that, I mean, just channelize all your creativity. You could even anything. You could even do cooking. Like I would never enter the kitchen, and I've actually started enjoying, making fun things. Like I baked a cheesecake, and I made pasta, and so it's just fun things, yeah. So enjoy the time you're getting to spend with your family, with your loved ones, energize your channelize your energies into creative things, what you enjoy doing the most. Fitness is very important. Spend
yeah.
1 hour in workout in in any form of fitness, be it just skipping or yoga or just walking. I do surya namaskars, so any form of workout is good. That 1 hour is important. And I mean, in your
Online
free time,
course.
you're not even feeling guilty while watching TV. Otherwise, so I would, through my years, I've never sat and watched a web series, because I would always be guilty about sitting for so many hours on other TV, and there was never the time I would get. I would always be on a work call or 100 things running in your head. But now I'm enjoying watching a web series also. So channelize, just enjoy, be positive, and everything will fall in place.
That's sweet. Can I just give you 1 minute task if you will be able to do it?
You want me to sketch?
Yeah, I'm like challenging you. Yes.
Chalo,
As
let's
we
do
all
it.
want to
In fact,
see
it
you.
was right here. I'll just show you. Just before you came on, and I was just sketching something.
Wow.
This was just
Okay,
like a
can you sketch
fun.
something for me, like a layered? I know you
Oh,
like
sure.
layering stuff. I know I've seen one of your interview. You said that.
Sure. What do you want me to
Uh,
sketch for you?
anything with a layer, like remove one thing, remove the second thing, and remove the final thing.
Oh, lovely. See, like this is a jumpsuit.
But
Can you
you'll have to
see?
do
Oh,
it
wait,
in
let
like
me put the camera on
one
the
minute.
other side.
Oh wow,
So these are just some things I've done in my free time. This is
these
actually.
are lovely.
So this is a skirt with a crop top, which you can wear in an Indian way or in a Western way. Style yourself accordingly. Maybe for some of your red carpet events, something like this. Now this was actually a jumpsuit, but I created this into a sari gown. So the same embroidery of the torso is incorporated in the jumpsuit, and I've just blended it with the sari gown. So this is something, and ये actually ना मेरे store पे है मेरा actual sketchbook जो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं उसमें. This is just like for rough kind of styling and my time pass that I do at home. Just since I
Wow.
enjoyed sketching.
This you did just. I mean, like this you've colored. Oh my God, this is so
Yeah, this I
beautiful.
just made now only right
With
now.
so
Like
much
one
detailing that you
month.
have to write everything.
Yeah, because if you want to construct it eventually, you have to remember all the detailing, what came into your head, and explain that to your karigar. So you want me to sketch something for you? Wait,
Yeah, in like 1 minute.
ठीक है.
Okay, guys, this is going
कोई
to be
पेज
very,
नहीं मिल
very
रहा यार.
interesting
एक
for all of
सेकंड.
us.
ठीक है, इधर कर देती हूँ. All right. Let me think what will work well for
Can I have the
you.
phone? I just need a timer.
अच्छा 1 minute हाँ.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll just
Acha, by the way, while you're giving me this 1 minute task, let me tell you, my one hand is holding the camera.
Oh, okay, we'll
And
increase the 30-second more for you. Because you're
my
doing it
one
like
hand,
instant. You're so good.
my one hand is holding the camera, and my one hand is sketching. So please give me that little leeway.
Okay, take your
Where,
time.
no, 1 minute is okay because I enjoy sketching. So let me do something like. Okay, so by the way, my sister heard me and she's come to my rescue.
I
Thank you,
saw her
Malvika.
live, Malvika, right? Malvika Raj?
Yes,
Hi,
Malvika.
you can hear me.
Hi.
So
Thank you,
Malvika
Malvika.
heard.
My pleasure.
So she heard this and so sweet. She's just come to my rescue to hold the camera for me.
That's sweet. Yeah, these sisters are amazing. I've got a brother. He demands me that what will I get if I do this? Wow. So
Sisters
can
are
you
a
please tell
blessing.
us a little bit
By the way,
what are you
Rashmi, I saw
making?
you on Big Boss, huh?
Really, you
And
liked
you were
it?
fab.
Thank you,
I
Malvika.
really thought you would win the show.
Really?
I'm showing it.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Yeah, you were my favorite contestant. You and Aarti, my favorite contestants.
Thank you. Aarti is online. She's watching us.
Oh,
I
was
know.
it Aarti who called me Twinkle?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was the
Hi,
one who said that
Aarti.
say hi to Twinkle, and I said hi, and then she kept saying the all other people are commenting. She already said hi. I said like yeah.
Hi,
Oh my
Aarti.
God,
Aarti
you.
is a dear friend.
I know.
You're
I
making
know. I
Jackie's
know.
face.
So, this is something which is it visible enough?
Yeah, properly.
Yeah,
So
Malvika, I
I
asked her to sketch it for me.
I
It's
know I've
layered
been
because
seeing the
she
full
loved
line.
layering.
yes, so I love layering and I love drapes. So I've made something which is very chic and young and stylish. So this is basically a gown, okay, with a half blazer. So you've got your layer, right, which looks really sharp and western and well styled, and it's a one piece. Basically, it's attached. It's a tube. So I've given you your open space where your collarbones can be highlighted and looks more sexy, and it's a nice tube with a drape with a gown. It's like a sari gown but without a sari. Instead, I've given you an attached half blazer, so it looks very stylish.
Okay.
So you can wear this for your red carpet, and little embellishments on your cuff. So very minimalistic accessory also I've given you. So I've styled you with the accessories also in this 1 minute.
Dude, this is fabulous.
And
Wow.
What
you
color would you give her?
you can do a nice sharp dark color, and I would say a black or maybe a deep maroon,
I
a
like pastel color,
burgundy.
but
You like pastel and
I love
whites?
pastel
You like
colors.
whites?
White, I love white. White and
I
red
think white.
combination is something I love.
Yeah, so white is a classic. You can do this in an all white. And I think white is something that goes brilliantly for the day and night. For your brunches or for your red carpets, white will look stunning. I'll make this for you. Let me make this for you. Once we are done with the quarantine
Yeah. Thank you.
and once you're back to work, I can make this for you.
Thank you, Sonakshi. Thank you so much. This means a lot, and I must say that you are so talented.
Thank
Not
you.
even with a minute. You were just so
Thank
quick.
you. Thank you so much. That's Malvika.
Hi, Malvika. Both are beautiful looking sisters.
So she's come to spend a few days with me since I've gotten married. So she's coming and staying with me, and we're having some good sister time out.
That's fabulous. Thank you. Malvika, thank you so much for helping.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
So Malvika is in fact making her debut this year in a film.
Really? The film
So you
shoot and
knew,
everything is done?
she was from she was in K3G. She was a child artist in K3G. Karina's the baby character, Chandu ke Chacha. That's Malvika.
It was Malvika?
Yeah.
Chandu ki Chacha ne, okay, now say it, Malvika, fast.
No,
Chandu
no.
ki Chacha ne, Chandu ki Chacha ne, Chandu ki
It's
Chacha
okay.
ne.
I'm going out. I'm leaving the room if you're going to make me do one.
Arey, it's okay. Just say it.
Come on,
I
guys,
love
you
you.
really want to listen to that
I
enough,
love you.
please.
Come on, yeah. Say it.
Once. Okay, let's do it. Okay, then me and Sonakshi will also repeat.
Yeah, we'll repeat it out.
come
know
on,
it by
Malvika.
heart.
We are
Come on.
Kefri ji's
Sonakshi,
fan.
you
What's
say it.
wrong?
Come
We
on.
love
Come on, let's
Sonakshi.
say it. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
I'm not saying you say
Say it now. Come here.
I'm not.
Charlie,
Okay.
start.
Sonakshi, you know it.
But yeah, so she is coming in a film now.
That's great. And
Called
all the very
Sword.
best, Malvika.
Thank you. Thank
Uh,
you.
Best wishes. And this quarantine is definitely
Come
we're
here.
facing the difficulties, but every difficulty gets new opportunities. And I'm sure
Absolutely, absolutely.
you guys are utilizing it, and I'm sure that Malvika has got the best time to spend a very good
Yeah,
quality
Yeah,
time.
where
yeah.
we would get this time
We are
otherwise.
enjoying our time together.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Sonakshi. We really had amazing episode today, and this was really
I
needed.
know I had a blast. I had a blast myself, and I loved chatting with you. We'll surely connect post the quarantine.
For sure, for sure. Thank you, darling. Please say
See
hi
you.
to Aarti, otherwise she'll kill me after this
Aarti.
quarantine.
Hi,
Yes.
Aarti. What's up? Let's catch up soon. Aarti is my childhood friend.
I know,
I
she said that. Oh, she's my childhood friend. Why are you not saying hi to Twinka? I said I'll
We've
tell
grown up
her.
together.
Thank you, and you take care of yourself and make the most of it. And
You
good luck,
too. You
darling.
too. Take care. Be safe. Be healthy. And all the best. Enjoy. Be positive and enjoy your time out.
Yeah,
Time in. Sorry, not time out. Enjoy your time in.
I will. Thank you, darling. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Take care. See you.
So guys, I'm sure you had amazing time, and I think आप सबको ये पता चल चुका होगा बहुत clearly that there's a difference between a stylist and a stylist designer, because you know designing is something what you saw today, and it's definitely not easy because हम सबकी बहुत बड़ी demands आती है कि अच्छा this will look good or no, that will look good or no, what will make me look more beautiful, more gorgeous. अच्छा I want to look the best. So मुझे ऐसे लगता है today we had amazing episode with Sonakshi Raj, and now we know that why at such young age she's so successful, and she's so much of power. She was like chota dhamaka. So see you guys in next episode tomorrow, and tomorrow we're going to be talking about जनरल अबाउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड हमें ये सारी चीजें जब कहाँ पर लाइट ट्रैफिक चल रहा है, कौन सा रूट हमें अपनाना चाहिए, कौन सा गाना हम सुनने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, हमें मलिश का सुबह सुबह क्यों ऐसे बताती रहती है हर एक खबरों को इतनी पावर के साथ. तो यस, आवर टुमारोज गेस्ट इज Malishka, and a lot of people are excited about it. And I must say again that Sonakshi, thank you so much. We really had great fun. So much of information about clothes, so much of information about all the actresses. कि वो इतनी gorgeous कैसे लगती है? Behind that, how many people are working, and what should we wear? What should we should avoid? What will look nice with what? And I must say. ये तो एक सेशन में कंप्लीट नहीं होने वाला है. We will meet soon. Thank you.